can just
All
but
up
then
in
we've got all the well, should I drive to the farm with the cat?
Yeah, I see that. We'll probably do that.
They won't come back.
I'll go in there with my dirt bike.
Oh my god. Diva would have a heart attack. I'm not even kidding. Oh, I feel great.
We got sweet feed.
We have great.
Sweet pop's sold out now, eh? For the rest of the year.
Really? Wrigley, do not go in the pond!
Diva's such a stupid bitch.
On video.
Oh! Well, like, did you see her kick everybody?
Yeah.
She does look really pretty when she's older, though. Other than when she stepped on my toe and I'm in
Oh,
sandals.
she stopped me too. Don't worry. Oh,
I'm in sandals!
Oh, great. No, I can't see them.
Let's go in here. Oh, they're coming.
Oh, are you coming back? Wrigley, come here. Come on, bud.
Diva and him are tight, eh?
Oh, I know, they're friends now. Because that's all they kind of have now. Come on, Riggers. Look at him trot. Aww. Simon and James could care less now. Like, whatever.
Riggers. They can walk straight around there, but like...
Hi, buddy. Come here.
Simon!
Come on, bud. He was like, whatever. Whatever. Oh. Ooh.